The Daily Code Snippet. Border radius is also used to create elliptical shapes with CSS3. This is done by using different values for the horizontal and vertical parts of the rounded corners. When writing the distances out, the 4 horizontal values are placed before 4 vertical values. Let's look at some examples. Here is the HTML we are working with. We will be creating different elliptical shapes using CSS3. Here's the base CSS for the shapes. In this case, we have a 200 pixel square with some margin and padding added to create space for the text within and between shapes. We have a light blue background and are floating the shapes so they display next to one another. In this example, the horizontal and vertical values are different. We again need to use the prefix moz for Mozilla Firefox and WebKit for Apple Safari. This is for cross-browser compatibility. This is how the code looks for our example. The shape is the first one on the upper row. In the next example, the radius is taller than it is wide. Although the horizontal and vertical values differ, they are the same for all 4 corners. The resulting shape is more uniform than the previous shape. You can create a circle by taking a square box and making the border radius the same height as the square. Since our square is 200 pixels by 200 pixels, we are making the border radius 200 pixels. The result is the circle, the last shape on the upper row. And finally, you can also just target one corner. Here is the CSS targeting our shapes. We used the visibility hidden to hide the 4th shape and leave a space so that the examples of one corner being targeted are all together on the bottom row. Presented by Designers Learn Code.